Okay guys, so I know I said just 2 experiments, but I'm gonna go ahead and do one more oil and water experiment video just because I kind of want to try this and you guys might find it interesting and you might be able to do it at home. So this one, you're going to need just about the same things we've needed for the other ones. This one I'm going to call color bubbles in oil, and you just need a jar, some oil, some food coloring, and pipettes, which is a fancy way of transferring a small amount of liquid from one thing to another in science, but we're just going to use straws. So hopefully you'll have those things at home. If not, you can just watch along with me. Okay, so here's the stuff I am going to be using. And if you look carefully, you can see we got the fireworks in a jar still going back there. It's another experiment, but here we go. Our main focus is going to be right here on this little jar. And the first thing I'm going to put into it is some oil. And just from the last experiment, I learned, because in science we're constantly learning things, that it is a little bit easier for you guys to see stuff on the video if it's up high. So there we go. I think that'll work. Next, I have a couple of containers of just some water. And for those, I'm going to take a little food coloring. So first I'm going to put some drops of blue. You can see it mixes right away because it is food coloring in water, and it's water-based food coloring in water. So I'm going to mix in a few drops of red. And I think I'll go with a few drops of yellow. And because I know you guys have a fantastic art teacher, I know that you know that these 3 colors are the primary colors. So I am going to take a straw or my fake pipette and mix these up. So now my color is all mixed up with the red and the yellow. And I'm going to mix up the blue. And I guess I'll start with the blue. So in order to get some liquid into my straw, I'm going to put the straw down into it, put my finger over the end and create a little bit of suction. Okay? Like that. And then I can lift it up, and I've actually got liquid in it, and that liquid I am going to just drop into the oil. Whoa! And we have a perfect little blue sphere. What color should I try next? I think I'll go with the red. So again, I'm getting my pipette in the red. Ooh. It really looks kind of amazing. How about yellow now? Wonder how many drops of oil, drops of color I can put in this oil. Oh, interesting that the yellow didn't sink at all. Oh, again. Huh. I'm sure it will eventually sink because, oh, there's one that's sinking. Because remember what we said about the oil and the water being heavier or denser than oil? So that's really about it, guys. Ooh, it's kind of fun to watch. It's a good way to experiment. And I sure do love to see the primary colors just floating around in there. I think I will try, after I get a few more drops in here, to do a few things with it. What do you think I should do? What do you think would happen if I swirled it around with my straw? Or what if I really mixed it up a lot with the straw? We'll try both of those things. I think I'll go ahead and give it a little swirl. You can see how those drops are swirling around. Let's try a little more blue and a little more yellow. Ooh, that one mixed with that blue mixed with the yellow that was already there and made a green bubble. We're having a little color theory lesson while we do the science lesson. So let's try a little more yellow. And a little more blue. All right, guys. Well, I think I'll leave you with these. They're pretty exciting. Oh, wow. And if you want to carefully play with them and move them around, you can kind of, oh my goodness, you can make little bubbles, and then the little bubbles kind of are joining together with the big bubbles. I wonder if eventually we'll just have one big massive bubble. I don't know. Well, I hope you enjoy your oil and water experiments this week. And I hope you learn a lot. And be good. I love you. Bye-bye.